Hello, in front of me I've got Vantrue N4 camera. In this video I'll show you how to manage parking mode. In the beginning, let's enter menu and go to record setup. Go to parking mode, enter it. Now read the note. When parking in the hot summer sunlight, please use the collision detection triggered parking mode. OK. Now you can enable collision detection, collision plus motion detection, only motion detection, low bit rates, low frame rate mode. Also you can disable this function. Let's select collision plus motion detection. Now select sensitivity between low, medium and high, confirm, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.